Electrical and electronics engineering paves a path for developing state-of-art solutions to critical social challenges in the field of energy, healthcare, environment, and helps transform all aspects of human life for the betterment. Such indispensable electrical engineers are fructified by institutions of high caliber. Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering of KCG College of Technology offers a world-class education and provides all facilities for the students. Keeping this in mind, our department aims to provide a high-quality outcome-based education to cater the ever-challenging needs of technical excellence in all areas. KCG EEE, electrifying since 1998.
It aspires to become a globally recognized center of excellence for science, technology, and engineering education. The department offers undergraduate program in electrical and electronics engineering and postgraduate program in power electronics and drives.
Our advisor stands by and provides all sorts of advices in the field of electrical science. Our Professor and Associate Dean of Industrial Partnership and Corporate Affairs, who has been inspiring us through her untiring efforts and wholehearted support.
Our head of the department enlightens us with her encouraging words along with a team of most dedicated and enthusiastic faculties. We have 5 labs to cater the requirements of Anna University curriculum.
The department is approved by Anna University as a recognized research center for doing PhD and MS programs. We have got approval over 1.5 crore worth funded and consultancy project from leading organizations and core industries such as DST, Nivate, CVRDE, IEI, AICTE, Hitachi and Rambal. Project and research lab is well equipped with modern tools like ETAP, MATLAB, LabVIEW, D-Space Control Station, Power Quality Analyzer.
KCG DST supported Power System Protection Lab under FIST scheme. The main objective of the FIST lab is to collate resources and industrial expertise in order to upgrade knowledge. We have installed a rooftop solar power plant of 100 kW to fulfill the needs of electricity within the campus, with a motive to achieve a target of 100 GW by 2022.
Our EEE department won the most prestigious AICTE CII National Award for Best Industry-Linked Electrical Engineering and Allied Institute. And for being the best college to collaborate with industries, our department won Sustainable Institute Industry Partnership Award from Seed Education. We have been awarded as the best department for 3 consecutive years.
The students from our department have been consistently securing university ranks.
A lot of students have got placed in most reputed companies.
Hello, I'm Navin Kumar and I got placed in Infosys.
Hi, this is Ashwini. I got placed in Innova Solution.
Hey, I'm Shinto, placed in TCS.
Hi, this is Dharani. I got placed in CTS.
We got a great exposure and a wonderful experience throughout our journey. The most unforgettable moment of my life is my college life.
As an electrical engineer, we learned a lot of things in a most exciting way.
Besides, we leave this campus as a complete professional.
To make yourself a great professional, come and be a part of our KCG EEE family.